Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone. I've just hosed this roof off because it's physically too hot to touch for me to put the sheet back in, and so now it's cool enough for me to work. But I just thought I'd show you the finished job, as it were, so you can see the cellulose fibre's pumped in now, all nice up to the tops, and that actually is higher than what it's supposed to be because there's only these are 100mm joist on top of 120mm batten, and so there's actually probably 110, 120 mils right across the job now instead of what it was before, where it was down about 40 or 50 mils. Anyway, and that's the battered vent, like I said, and I've done the manhole. So anyway, and just to show you, actually I don't know, no, this is all good insulation here, but you can see how deep that is now compared to what it was. So alright, another one done and I'll get out of here. Oh, here's what I was going to show you. You see that there? That's the old insulation underneath there, right? And it's just a bit different colour because it's made out of recycled phone books instead of, this is made out of recycled office paper. So the colour's not consequential to anything. But alright, if that helps anybody, like, comment or share, and email us with your address if you're in Queensland and we can give you a quote. Bye.